Hey guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, hope you're doing fine. Today I have come up with an amazing DIY recipe that I know that you people will like to put it together. Before I jump on in, I would like to inform you, let you know about what these essential oils really are. I just want to give you a brief idea of why you should use these essential oils and carrier oils. And do they really work wonders as they are known for? Let's see. So do you guys know why we use carrier oil? Well, carrier oils are generally known for its good dilution knack, and it does give astonishing results when used on your hair, skin and nails. Hey, hang on. Did I tell you about essential oils? Well, essential oils are used in aromatherapy, natural scents and high quality products. And when used with the right or appropriate carrier oils, it does give amazing results.
To prepare this hair growth serum, you require 2 ingredients. Castor oil as a base oil 90 ml. Rosemary Essential oil 5 ml. Benefits of castor oil for hair and scalp. Helps in hair growth, reduces itching, increases circulation, improves hair growth, increases hair strength, increases circulation of the scalp, prevents hair loss. Add 90 ml of castor oil as a base oil in the empty bottle, which is 100 ml. Put 5 ml of rosemary oil in it. Mix it well and apply the mixture to your hair overnight. In the morning, wash your hair with a mild and paraben-free shampoo.